Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going on an exploration of the fascinating village of Kuliarchar in Kishoreganj, Bangladesh. Known for its vast dry landscapes, Kuliarchar offers a unique view of rural life here in Bangladesh. Let's dive in and see what this village has to offer. Kuliarchar is located in the heart of Kishoreganj, and one of the first things you'll notice is the expansive, dry terrain. The village is largely agricultural, with fields of crops stretching for miles. But despite the hard work that goes into farming, the land here faces challenges, mainly due to its dry and arid conditions. Farmers here rely on rainwater for irrigation, but when there's a drought, the crops suffer. The community has developed resilience over the years, and their connection to the land is deep-rooted. Here in Kuliarchar, many people still use traditional farming methods to cultivate their crops. Despite the challenges posed by the dry land, the villagers rely on age-old techniques passed down through generations. The dry climate means that water conservation is essential. Many farmers use manual irrigation systems, making the best use of any available water sources, including ponds and wells. Life in Kuliarchar isn't just about farming. The village has a close-knit community with a rich cultural heritage. From festivals to family traditions, the people of Kuliarchar have a deep connection to their roots. Despite the dry conditions, the people of Kuliarchar have a strong sense of community. They often come together to celebrate important milestones and share in the joys of life. While the landscape here might seem dry and difficult, the villagers continue to push forward. One of the biggest challenges they face is the scarcity of water, which impacts not only farming, but the overall quality of life. However, there's hope. Local initiatives to improve water conservation and better irrigation systems are slowly making a difference. With the right resources and support, Kuliarchar can find new ways to thrive. Kuliarchar is a village of resilience where the land may be dry, but the spirit of the people is anything but. With time, innovation and collaboration, there's hope that the future will bring even better opportunities for this community. That's it for our exploration of Kuliarchar, the dry village in Kishoreganj. I hope you've enjoyed learning about this fascinating place and its amazing people. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more amazing stories from around the world. See you in the next video.